What's up?
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Today we're going to be doing a apartment tour.
Hey.
Come on, guys.
This is our soon-to-be kitchen because we need
Not our kitchen, honey. Our dining
a
room.
dining room. Yeah. We need a table. So we're figuring this out. Our table is supposed to go here underneath this lamp.
Yes.
So this is our dining space, and then right across from that is our laundry room.
Yes.
So look at this. My wife is an amazing decorator. So there's our laundry room.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty basic.
Pretty basic. All right. We're gonna go. And then my wife can show you the kitchen.
All right. So this is our kitchen, where I don't do a lot of the cooking, but today I did an omelet for my husband. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see my stories, updates on my personal life. Anyway,
Yeah.
so here is our wonderful counter space. Got some nice little stools here. Our theme of our house is like farmhouse,
Country living.
country living. So look at that little salt and pepper shaker. We got some mason jars, flowers. My husband loves flowers.
Mm-hmm. And I put some right there too.
Yes. Oh, we didn't show them that.
Yes.
Got a little thing there. All right. Here is our pantry. You don't have to see what's in there, even though it's organized. And then right here, we have some cooking tools.
Appliances.
Yes, this is where we have our rice. And our rice is really in there, just so you know. Here is our wonderful blender that Karina got for us. Thank you, Karina.
Thank you, Karina.
And here we have our toaster.
Mm-hmm. Oh, now that we're on giving thanks to people who gave us stuff. Xiomara, thank you for our lovely vacuum. We haven't even opened it yet because it got here. It got here yesterday, right?
His name, right?
Joe. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, but it got here yesterday. Thank you so much. We can't wait to use it. So thank you.
Here are all of our stainless steel kitchen appliances. We have this little like inside joke, country road, take me home.
Which
If
we
you know
got.
that song,
We got this
sing
when
along.
we got this when I went to go visit you in New Jersey.
Yes. And then we have some little knickknacks here from
Milk jars, yeah.
Hobby Lobby.
Milk jugs.
And I got these little things right here, coffee, whatever, sugar and stuff like that from Home Goods. And then we have a little coffee machine here. That's not that great apparently, right?
No.
Okay. Hopefully we get a Keurig soon.
Yes.
And this is our refrigerator.
Ouch. I tripped over the trash can.
We have our little calendar here, what we're gonna cook throughout the week, and our grocery list. And we got a little lantern up there from the wedding. Thank you, Long and AJ, for our gift of our candle holders here. And right here we have a sign that says Farm Charm. And our cat there. Now, I'm gonna hand it over to my husband for the next room. Why do I talk like this? I don't know.
Well, it's not a living next room, it's our living room.
Alrighty.
So, here's our couch, and this is from our engagement photo. Thank you, the Focus Films, for our engagement photo shoot.
Yes.
If you are looking for anyone to do your engagement photos, wedding photos, you need to choose the Focus. They're awesome. They work with you and they're very personable. So awesome people. This is our white couch, a rug, our table that Mr. Mike and Kate Bustillos gave to us as a wedding gift. I freaking love this table because if me and Ashley are eating and we don't have a great kitchen for we can do this. And we just eat from here. When we're done, we crack it down.
And we can use it as storage.
And we use it as storage too. But awesome. Thank you so much, Mike. Here we have a fig tree. It's not real, which I'm not happy. Sorry, I had to get the secret out. It's not real. I like real things. And then also we have a balcony, which we'll show you later. My father made this for us. My father also has a business where he does. My parents have a business where they do domino tables. So, very cool. If you're interested, DM Ashley and we can get you one.
Comment down below.
Yes. And then we have our TV.
Woo! Oh, that's not very appropriate, but that's all right.
Our TV, our Google Home. There's something you need to know about me. I love Google. I love everything Google. So in our house, we have 2 Google Homes. My laptop is Google.
Sponsor us, Google.
Yes, everything is Google. I am even planning on putting all the lights Google. So.
Woo!
Here's our Wi-Fi password.
Did you ever come over?
Yes. This is significant to me because on me and Ashley's first 3 dates, she bought this for me when we were in New York. So it's very significant to me. I love motorcycles, by the way, which you'll see in a second. And then our G, because we are the Gutierrez family.
Sister-in-law got us that.
Yes.
Shout out to Jessica.
My sister Jessica got this for us. Yeah. And then my books. I have to put some books here, but this is actually some bookends. So it's for bike. Balcony. It's not as decorated as we would want to make it, but we do have a really nice view for the lake.
We sure do.
Yes, we do. And the sunrise is right there too, so we get to see the sunrise.
We've eaten out here too.
Yeah, we've eaten
All we have is this nice little wreath.
Yeah, but we plan on making this nice too.
Yes.
We're just focusing on the inside.
Yes. We're not going too crazy even in the inside because we don't plan to stay here forever.
No. And then my wife can show you our master bedroom.
Alrighty. Come on in. Oh, the only bad thing about this apartment is that the lights, the rooms don't have a lot of light.
That one's not connected, brother.
Well, okay. Anyway, so then you come on in. We have our little vanity here, or a dresser, I'm sorry. Our dresser, we have this little sign that says, marriage, an endless sleepover with your favorite weirdo. And then our little jewelry boxes is mine. This is hubby's. And we got this wonderful lamp from Home Goods. If you're interested, looking at, trying to find things like this. We got a little sign here, that was a gift. And we put our wedding rings in this little dish that our sister-in-law, my sister-in-law got. His sister. We have a little basket here. We were thinking about hanging this in here, but then we didn't like it that much. And we have a little shelving system here for like blankets.
Which Mike also got us. Thank you, Mike.
And we got our little nightstand with our diffuser and little knickknacks there. Very simple. And this is our bed. And we have a little sign there that says, I have found the one whom my soul loves. We got that at Burlington, I believe. And right here we have our clothes. It's a little bit, we're not gonna show that too much. And here is our restroom. Oh, our bathroom. Got our shower here with a tub and all of our necessities to groom ourselves. Alrighty. Let's go. We're out of here. Then, I would say this is our favorite room. Would you say the same?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we have 2 bedrooms in this apartment. And when you come on in, the first door here is a lot of storage stuff from our wedding. If you don't know, our wedding was postponed, our big wedding. We're married though. And this is our second bathroom.
This is the guest bathroom.
Guest bathroom for all of our wonderful guests that want to visit us. And yeah, this is it.
Mm-hmm.
And then right here,
Dun,
when
dun,
you
dun, dun,
come
dun,
into
dun,
these
dun.
beautiful curtains of purity,
Curtains of purity.
we walk in, boom!
Mm-hmm. Here's our
have-
office space.
Yes. We have split our office in 2. This is all my side right here. So right here I have a little table, you know, I like to do crafts and stuff. So follow me at A Craft by Ash. That's my little business, my small business on Instagram. And I have my, you know, my Cricut and my mats here. We just we're working on this week. And I got a brand new MacBook Air, which I'll be doing a video unboxing that soon. And then this is my my office space. My husband got me this desk. And if you don't know, I work from home. So yeah. By the way, I'm working right now, so I have to check that I haven't gotten any calls. And then we put this backdrop here that we used at our wedding. My mom decorated our wedding and I told her if I could keep it so I could, you know, it goes with my aesthetic. As you can see, I'm very simple, rustic, kind of, yeah, that's my vibe. And then right here, we have a little corner for games and stuff. We could sit here. We're planning to get 2 bean bags to put here.
Yeah, one there and one there.
Yeah. And I'm going to turn it over to my husband.
So my side
his
is
side is more extravagant.
Yeah, my side is a little bit more, has more stuff. So I'm a teacher, and here, like I said, I love motorcycles, so I have my little, Ashley says I have a shrine. I have a shrine to motorcycles, and I have a shrine to my Yankees.
Yes.
So I love motorcycles. Ever since I was 16, I've always wanted a motorcycle. Harley Davidsons are my favorite.
I'm getting one though.
Harley Davidsons are my favorite, so I put them here. This is a painting from a brother from church. I love this painting. He said that this painting was inspired by the musicians at my church. We go to Misión La Cosecha, so he was inspired by us as musicians, and he painted this painting, and I bought it from him. You can see violin, guitar, piano. I'm a pianist, so there's a piano. So I love this painting a lot because of the meaning behind it. And then my Yankees, this is my shrine to the Yankees, like my wife likes to say. I love the Yankees. This is a book by Jorge Posada. Basically my most expensive baseball cards. I have some Babe Ruth, Mickey Mantle. I have Yogi Berra. When the Yankees won in 2009 with the Philadelphia Phillies, the World Series. Legends of Greatness. My wife, this is a very famous, a very personal thing for me. My wife bought this baseball for me on one of our dates in New York. She knew I love the Yankees, and she knows that I like to mess with wood and stuff. So she bought this for me when we were in New York, and I've kept it very safe and clean because it's very special to me.
Wow, I was very detailed, wasn't I? Detallista, and you
Yes.
weren't even my boyfriend.
Yes. That's true. I wasn't your boyfriend yet. We were just dating.
Gain points.
And
That was like
then-
your first date.
Yeah. This is our second date. Our second date, we went to
Yankee Stadium.
Yankee
So
Stadium.
we had to put the picture
Yes.
there, you know. En el altar de los Yankees.
oh, and then my brother Nelson from church got me this very nice hat. And I love this hat because it means a lot to me too. So, actually, I like this day because the Yankees beat the Boston Red Sox 12-1. It was good.
Don't tell Pastor.
No.
Okay.
And then my books, because I'm a teacher, I love to read books. And so these are all my books.
Not only that, he's obsessed with books.
I love books. So I'm actually going to open this so y'all can see. Oh, and I actually written a book It's a small little book,
Oh yes.
but it's called Consequently. It's
We'll put the link in the description if you're
Yeah,
interested to purchase
sure.
on Amazon.
Yeah, you can buy some. And I'm currently working on my second book, which hopefully will be out this year too. But it's just a small little debut book, but has my poetry. My wife did all the illustrations to the book, so you guys can check that out. And yeah, I have a lot of my ministry books here, my Spanish language, English language, and then here I have most of my poetry because I love poetry and all the books that I teach with.
And here's the altar of magic. Okay.
Yes, and I play Magic the Gathering. So, anyways, yeah, this is most of my stuff. It's what I like to do here. Ta-da.
Thank you for watching our house tour, apartment tour. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite part of the house was. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.